This woman sprays alcohol on her bed. He could not believe what he had found during the night. Isopropyl alcohol is a type of alcohol widely used in cleaning all types of components in the home and in vehicles, as it is very effective when cleaning any surface. In terms of cleaning, you can clean absolutely everything, because in addition to being superior to conventional cleaning products, it is the best type of alcohol that can be found for cleaning surfaces. But it is not the cleanliness of what we have come to speak in this video, or well yes, but rather eradication. Because there are times when some time passes and we do not properly clean our mattress, we can find some pesky insects that can sneak onto our pillows and mattresses to bite us at any time. And for these occasions, it is not bad to have a good remedy on hand to fix it. What's more, I would swear that most of the remedies we set out on this list were unknown to you, because they are so exceptional, you would never imagine they could work. We detail them below. 1. Get rid of insects on pillows and mattresses. Insects can be a real problem once they arrive. Even if you are really careful, they can sneak in after a vacation or after spending the night in a friend's unhygienic house. Fortunately, alcohol can help kill all these nasty parasites. Fill a spray bottle with alcohol and sprinkle generously on your pillows and mattresses. Since insects lay eggs, it is important to repeat this process several times to completely get rid of them. 2. Kill lice. Alcohol is also ideal for eliminating lice. Fill a spray bottle with alcohol and add a few drops of lavender oil. Apply generously on your scalp and hair. Comb hair to remove dead lice. The Wisconsin Division of Public Health recommends letting lice-filled combs soak in the mixture for at least an hour to make sure they are properly removed.